Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. This is a real Super Sport, as you can tell, because this is an original Daytona yellow coated car. Daytona yellow was you could only get that color on a Super Sport car, so therefore making this car an original Super Sport. It is powered by a non-numbers matching 396 and manual transmission. As you can see, the car is very straight if you watch the reflections here. Good body lines on it, nice. Definitely is a good look. We always have a lot of positive response on these Daytona yellow Chevelles. Nice set of rally wheels and tires on this car as well. Come around the back. As I'm going through this video, you can always reference, you can always see the still pictures of all of our cars in our inventory at uniqueclassiccars.com. Here we'll get a side shot down here. And you can see very nice, again, body lines. It's not what some people call fat on the bottom, where, you know, sometimes people use a lot of Bondo or that kind of stuff along the bottom. They kind of look fat down there. This one's lines look nice and crisp, so shouldn't have too many worries there. We'll take a peek inside. Nice contrast to the black interior. And of course it has bucket seats and a floor-mounted 4-speed transmission. This car does have some aftermarket gauges on it. You can see here, aftermarket tachometer right there. And of course water temp, oil pressures down there. Kind of has a custom retro stereo installed. Take a look, the dash is in good shape there. Headliner. Alright, let's see if we can get her fired up here. Pump it a couple times. That's a cold start. This car's been sitting here for a little while. You can see the gauges down there. Got great oil pressure. Radio's on. Alright, I'll hop outside and show you under the hood. As I mentioned before, it's powered by a 396 V8. This car also has power brakes and power steering. Nice set of hooker headers on the car as well, giving it a nice sound. Nothing real obnoxious, just a classic muscle car sound. It's got braided spark plug wires. Looks like it has an upgraded ATI ignition. It does have a nice upgraded aluminum radiator and dual electric fan as well. We'll walk around the back to let you hear it. And as I mentioned, those two stripes you see on the fender, that's a reflection from the window behind me here, just so you know. But like I said, again, nice sound from the dual exhaust. And again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are welcome, and finance is available, and extended warranties are also available on a lot of our cars. Make sure you ask someone about the details on that. Thank you for looking.